To check your account balance on PureVPN, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the PureVPN website and click on the login button. Enter your registered email address and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. This is where you can find various account details and settings. Step 3. Locate the account balance section. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Review your balance. Check the displayed balance to see how much credit you have remaining. This will help you determine if you need to add funds or renew your subscription. Step 5. Log out securely. After reviewing your account balance, make sure to log out of your account, especially if you are using a public or shared device, to keep your information secure. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance on PureVPN. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.